Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily customize your character in Kebab Simulator Prologue. So first let's start off by going into the character right here. Now here we can choose the gender, as you guys can see. Now we can change the body skin. We can add some belly, or we can add some arms. Now he looks very buffed, as you guys can see. We can move him around, see him in the mirror. Now here we can also add the butt. Also in the head we can change the hair. Now he looks pretty bad. We can change the hair here. Also the hair colors. Here we can adjust them. We can also wear some crazy hats, as you guys can see. Now for glasses we have a lot of those. And here we can also go for some earrings, as you guys can see. Now here we will have some eyebrows color, and also the beards. So here we can choose it all. Of course the mustache, the collar, the nose. We can make it bigger or smaller, the upper nose. So here we can do something like that. Now eyebrow height, we can change it. Also the angle, we can adjust it. And now in the clothes we can choose a lot of styles here, as you guys can see. Now the skin, some pants, also the pants skin, and here we can also choose the shoes. As you guys can see, there's a lot to choose from. And here we also have the wristlet. So that's basically it. This is how you guys can customize your own character. And that'd be it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.